Hey you guys, anyways, so I'm just starting the vlog off. I just came from my doctor's appointment, and let me tell you, I went to public clinic. I'm never, ever, 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 ever going through this again. I will never have a next child, never. That the first one just has to be alone for the rest of his life or her life, because I'm not doing it no more. That whole thing was a whole freaking process. It was a long wait. um when you get up, you lose your seat, okay, and you have to stand up for the rest of the day unless somebody else get called, and there's like a few people waiting, so they run into the seats and all. Girl, listen, I cannot. I'm so glad that this process is every 4 weeks, and they don't find nothing like wrong with me, like being high risk or anything. They took blood today, give me a shot. It was just a process. I felt so violated. I People make it sound like when you having sex, like you just could open your legs to the world, and it's not so. You and your partner have a connection. It was like three persons inside the room when they checked me: the doctor, the nurse, and somebody else. And they have people training sometime. And girl, it was just a lot. And I had to open my legs so fucking wide. They shine this big bright light. Like, I almost said I can't do it. I felt so violated and so scared. The doctor had to told me like, no, just relax. We're not gonna hurt you. This and that. Girl, listen. I will. Oh my gosh, I was scary when I went inside the doctor office. I'm not going to the same clinic, so this is the public clinic, and the public clinic is a real process. And I can't go back to my doctor because I already canceled. I mean, I could go back. I wanted to try the public clinic for different reasons, but girl, like, it's a mess. It's a big fucking mess. My next visit, I'll try and show you guys. And they took so much blood from me. I don't know, you had to take so many tubes of blood, like 5 tubes of blood. Anyways, like, I have a lot of updates. Like, girl, I haven't even edited the vlog from last 2 weeks ago or a week ago, because I just ended like yesterday. I just ended my vlog yesterday. Girl, listen. Oh god, please. Hey y'all, so anyways, it's been like a few days after that whole doctor visit thing. I took like a few days off, try to catch myself, because that was a lot I had to take in. I haven't been on a vlog for a long time, like always, but child, listen to me. The whole visit was a experience. I don't know, that was just, I took a couple of days off, okay, and my foot keeps on swelling as well. Girl, I don't know. I really don't know. But anyways, I'm just going to make me some, I don't know what you call it, like I make it all the time. It's like these pasta things. I call it anything pastas. I call it anything pasta. I don't know, noodles, whatever. I'm gonna put some tuna in this and eat that. Oh shit, yeah, I'm hungry. So I actually lost weight when I went to see the doctor. Yeah, I was going through something and I wasn't eating, and it was like, that's not healthy for the baby and this and that. And then like my sugar was real low, and I was really jittery and having sweat, like I was all sweaty and just sick. I'm not gonna lie, like I've been going through it, so I'm trying to like eat on time and do things better, trying to let my emotions or things get the best of me. yeah. But I knew I was going to lose weight when I checked my weight, because like I said, I wasn't eating and I was stressed. But I'm doing better now. I'm eating on time. So anyways, let me stop talking and get started. Anyways, so while that's on, I'm gonna start making my tuna salad. So now I'm about to relax my hair. Yeah, I bought this little cheaper relaxer. What I used to use back in the day, because I don't want to fully relax my hair. I just want to leave the relaxer on for a couple minutes. I don't want my hair to be tired, because I was planning on braiding my hair, and relaxing it will make it just more easier. Yeah, I don't want my hair to be too straight. That's why I got the cheap perm. But in the next 2 months or so, I relax my hair with some other relaxer that I usually buy. But my hair is gone so much from the time it dropped off from relaxing it and over bleach. Anyways, whatever. So let me get started. Okay, relaxer's on. Um, this relaxer look like it's not working, because as you parting through, it's supposed to be starting to work its magic, and it's not. I put some surround wrap on my head. I'm gonna wait here for a couple minutes and see what it do. Hey you guys, anyway, so it's the next day, and listen to me. After I got done from washing the relaxer out of my hair, I went and took a shower, and let me tell you something, it did not do nothing for my hair. I was highly upset. It didn't even act as a text lock or anything like that. That's what I was trying to really get. It did nothing. It just absolutely did nothing. Okay, I left it on for about 30 minutes. Over 30 minutes, okay, because I noticed it was not doing nothing for my hair. So because usually, like, when I put on relaxer, like, you can start seeing transformation, like like a few minutes, and like if you're doing the back, you can see transformation. You can see your hair starting to straight already. but that was not working. It was like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, nothing was happening, and I kind of knew it. That's why I stopped using a relaxer. But it does nothing for my hair, and I want to get super. I used to use it back in the day because it didn't even burn. Okay, back in the day, you used to burn a hole in your flipping head. Okay, if you used to scratch your hair, I don't know, like they are probably making the relaxer different now. But anyways, I mean, my hair is pretty much still Kunta Kinte, not much the same. But I'll just go and buy the relaxer that I usually buy do my hair. I probably would relax it in the next 2 weeks or so. I don't know. Today is holiday, by the way. I'm just showing today is Monday. I don't know what holiday it is. People usually tell me it's holiday, and I'm like, okay. I haven't bothered to ask which holiday.